It was established in the year 1969 with strong business heritage. Our respected founder and chairman, Sri Baudas Chatambalam, has contributed a lot towards its growth. We have explored various fields in real estate, imports and export, and are the market leaders in these fields at present. Our principle is complete customer satisfaction. Our sincere service to customers keeps them coming back to us for all their needs with a satisfying attitude. Chatambalam Builders are one of the best builders in Palakkad. The group is having Chatambalam Business School too. Chatambalam Business School is affiliated with the prestigious Calicut University situated at Ganjikode with a spread campus in Chatambalam Knowledge Park. Chatambalam Business School provides high quality education and training through eminent faculties. CBS offers MBA program aiming especially to sharpen the technical skills of the deserving persons to become successful professionals.
Companies having a clear vision and a clear goal. Everyone know, I think there is a huge heavy opportunity is coming and heavy future is breaking out from this meeting. I think so, and moreover I have to appreciate each and everyone, our proper leaders such as David G. He is also an experienced guy in the chit industry because he is also worked with the same chit industry about 20 to 25 years, and the Surendran Ji also having the experience of about 25 years ago in the same similar industry, so that we have to achieve with his experience, we have to arrive in a bigger position as much. That means nobody can't expect like such a miracle we can make it happen within a short span. So that everyone has to do their responsibility properly. Then only we can, as far as company and the management concerned, we are always ready to take any type of risk, any type of responsibility that we had taken. So that our primary motto of the company is to give proper service and satisfaction to our customers. Clear?
Good evening. Good evening all of you. Well, let me introduce myself. I'm Nimisha Rajesh. Okay, today we are gathered here to give the Best Performer Award for the previous month, that is on January 2017. I'm so happy to be part of this and really proud to congrats the winners. Okay, so and I really appreciate the spirit, and moreover, we are expecting throughout that means the next month also we are expecting the same spirit. For making this function a grand success, we need your support as well as your cooperation. So keep on supporting and encouraging us. And one more thing I would like to tell you that today we are having the motivational speech, and for that the speech is conducted by Vipin sir. Okay, so about him, he's such a highly active as well as energetic person. Okay, so you can expect a lot of valuable information from him. That's all. Then thanks Ramya, thank you so much for inviting me to interact with you all. And finally, thanks to my lovely husband for giving such a good platform to express my gratitude towards you all. Thank you so much. And on this beautiful occasion, I would like to welcome all those who are gathered here. Thank you so much. Have a nice time and enjoy the Eid. Thank you.
Okay, now it's time to announce our winners. The first runner-up. Any guess? Okay, here we go. We are going to announce our first runner-up, and he is none other than Mr. Paul Joseph, Business Development Manager from Coimbatore branch. Paul sir, I kindly request you to come over the stage to receive the award, as well as I request our Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Mohandas sir, to come over the stage to give away the momentum as well as check. of January, Paul Joseph sir is awarded with a gold coin from Mohandas sir. Congratulations, Paul sir. In the month of January, Paul Joseph sir has achieved 34,200 as his salary. For the month of January, Paul Joseph sir is awarded with a gold coin from Mohandas sir. Congratulations, Paul sir. Mr. Rajamanigandan sir, Business Development Manager, Coimbatore branch. I kindly request Rajamanigandan sir to come on the stage to collect the memento and the check. Now I request our Managing Director, Mr. Rajesh Babu, to come, Rajesh Shatru to come on the stage to distribute the check. Mr. Rajamanigandan sir is awarded with a gold coin for the performance for the month of January. Sir received a salary of 34,200 in the month of January 2017. Congratulations, Rajamanigandan sir, and thank you for the same. Thank you, Rajesh sir. Sharanand sir received an amount of 20,210 as a salary. Congratulations, Sharanand sir, and thank you, Nimshana. Okay, the best man of entire division is, yes? Yes, there you are, Mr. David Sundar Rajan, Regional Manager, Coimbatore. I request Rajesh Shatru to come over the stage to give a small token as a gift to David sir. David sir is awarded with a gold coin for the work and the contribution he has made in the last month for horticulture. Congratulations, David sir, and thank you for the same. Thank you, Rajesh sir. Glad to welcome Mr. Vipin Chandra, Human Excellence Trainer, Motivational Speaker, as well as Well-Wisher of our esteemed firm. I kindly request Mr. Vipin Chandra to come on the stage, as well as I request Mr. Nipi to come on the stage to honor Mr. Vipin Chandra with the bouquet.
From my master in France, is from Trichet. And see, of course, everybody wants to become successful, but only few of us can achieve that. You ask me why? It's only one reason. Only few of us can ready to fight for that, or we are ready to chase the dream. See, everybody has the dream, of course. There are two types of dreams, as we know that. Two types of dream. One base dream. It's only base. I want to be like that, or just wish. So,